While there are various different methods for tightening wheel fasteners, specifically on trucks, the most accurate methods have been traditionally the manual torque wrench. These manual torque wrenches are often considered labor-intensive and impact efficiency of productivity hours. However, they are highly accurate and reliable tools that ensure the proper torque of all wheel fasteners. Today, I will introduce you to a new breed of pneumatic nut runner that combines the speed of an impact wrench with the precision and reliability of manual torquing. This tool should not be confused with standard pneumatic impact wrenches. Impact wrenches contain a hammer mechanism that are not considered accurate torque devices. So, according to the Tire Industry Association, they should not be used to set the final torque. The TTP pneumatic torque gun is similar to the high torque J gun. It is distributed by AMG Bolting Solutions and is operated by air rather than hydraulics, offering a greater range of motion and flexibility in countless bolting applications and operations. Unlike an impact wrench, which produces unregulated force, the TTP torque gun is an automated torque multiplier, which delivers measured and consistent torque on every bolt, combining both precision and power. Using a filter regulator lubricator pump, also known as an FRL, torque output is controlled by carefully metering the air pressure supplied to the tool. The direction of the tool, whether tightening or loosening, is set with the flick of a switch, while the trigger provides instant start and stop control. Regardless of the method you use, the end result on disc wheels must be 450 to 500 pounds of torque on each fastener. While the effects of under-torquing are obvious, over-torquing the fasteners can be just as dangerous. When torque is applied to a fastener, the stud is stretched slightly under tension, but returns to its original dimensions when the fastener is removed. When excess torque is applied, the stud is stretched too far, which results in a weakened stud that can fail during service. On a hub-piloted flange nut, just 2 seconds of impact time with a 1-inch impact wrench can result in almost 700 foot-pounds of torque, almost a 50% increase over the recommended torque of 475 foot-pounds. However, technicians must still remember that the correct torque does not guarantee the correct clamping force if the components are in poor condition or improperly installed. That's why it's important to always check fastener torque after the first 50 to 100 miles of service. The TTP torque gun comes in both single and dual speed models in a range of sizes and power ratings. The tools are numbered according to their maximum torque output in thousands of foot-pounds. For standard nuts and bolts, a reaction arm helps steady the tool, but the TTP torque gun is also fully compatible with accessories, like the high torque washer, because of its unique spline concentric drive design.